Hello friends, this is MacBook Air 2019 model. If you see the look and feel, it's a very sleek design. If you go to the left of this laptop, you will find two USB Type-C Thunderbolt ports, and on the right you will find one 3.5 mm headphone jack. And one good thing with this laptop is that it's really a portable design. It's only a 13-inch laptop, although the screen size is very beautifully designed that you will not have any problem with working with this device. And at the same time, if you want to open this lid only using only one finger, you can open this laptop. See, already I have logged into the already I have logged into this computer, so you will not have to retype your password, and without retyping the password you can use the Touch ID. And Touch ID is very responsive, as you can see. It's quite responsive. And if you see the other hardware specs of this laptop, it comes with Intel i5 12-core processor, and particular this device comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of SSD. And if you see the other accessories, no other accessories comes, only except the only the adapter charging adapter comes with the see friends, this is the only thing you will find with this laptop, and two stickers. If you talk about accessories, this is the only thing that you will get with this device. So let's put it aside. And if you talk about battery backup, although the Apple claims 10 hours of battery backup, for extensive use, if you extensively use this device, you can expect not less than 8 to 9 hours. It depends on the uses, what are the softwares you run on this device. So it's up to the uses basically. And standby time is also great. Already I have personally tested. I just locked the device without shutting down this device. I put it for around 10 hours at night, and in the morning when I again open the lid, the battery meter only down by only 1%. So this is a good thing with this device. So no background processing is that Apple has designed the softwares in such a way that it will not run in background, it will not consume your battery. So this is a very good thing with Apple devices in mobile phones and laptops. So it is a good thing I have seen. So you can expect a very good standby time. Then one good thing with Apple device is that they design hardware as per the software. Software and hardware softwares are also very optimized, and they design software as per the requirement of hardware. If you see the other laptops, other rivals of with this device, then you will find so many laptop that comes with i7 processor and uh, very high degree of hardwares. But in Apple devices, I have seen their hardware and softwares are very optimized to run with that much of hardware. Here in this laptop, I have seen it comes with i5 processor and 128 GB of hard disk, and i5 processor is enough to run all the applications installed in this device. And so many good applications are already installed here. But in this particular model, I don't have uh, Microsoft Office bundle, because you will have to pay another 5,000 rupees in India, and I don't know in other countries what is the amount you will have to pay, but you will have to pay some extra money for Microsoft. But you will have some other alternatives, like uh, for Microsoft Excel. You will have one replacement in this device already comes the numbers, and for presentation and all you have for making presentation. You have this keynote, then again you will have pages. There is a that you can use in place of Microsoft Word. So these are the softwares that comes with Apple macOS Catalina, and this particular device is running macOS Catalina. As you can see the specs. So this is 1.6 gigahertz hardware, dual core i5 processor, 8 GB of SSD, HDD, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB SSD. So that's pretty good to run this version of OS. And now you may have a lot of questions that whether you should buy this laptop or not. Go if you see the convenience level is also very good. Like if you want to go into the menus, then you can directly squeeze your fingers like this. You can use all of your 5 fingers, then again you can close all the menus. So you can directly go into the menus, and you can swipe using your 2 fingers. So it's pretty good actually. So convenience level is good actually. Then at the same time, for minimizing this particular in window, you can directly go to Command M. Now I am minimizing. If you want to minimize, then you want Command M. So basically Command M is not working with this because I have not selected anything. Now probably it will be working. Now I have opened. Now see, it's working again. The minimize button is hidden here because I have not selected any of the presentations. Now I have selected this presentation. Now you can see it's minimized. Again, one blank presentation I have selected. Again, for this you can use C. This is a very good thing. Now let's open all the windows, WhatsApp, and all of this. Now you want to toggle with different applications. You can use Command and Tab button at the same time. You can toggle between various applications that you have already opened. You can directly go to any of the applications that you have already opened. So this is a very good thing. You can minimize one by one. Again, selecting this, you can directly minimize. Again, selecting this, you can minimize. Now another various shortcuts is also there. Very soon you will be accustomed with this device. Once I think if you once accustomed with this device, you will not think about any other operating systems. Now say if you want to go to your downloads folder, you can directly choose the button command option and L. Like you press command option and L, you will directly go to your, and you can check if command see this is the combination actually, option command L. It should be working, but yes, actually it was already open, that's why this was not working. Again again if you want to go to computer, then command shift and C. You can directly go to your this you can see here desktop. See, now we want to go to desktop. If you want to go to desktop, then you can directly command shift and D. Now pressing command shift and D, see, you can directly go to desktop. However, in my desktop I have nothing. Now if you want to go to documents, now you can command shift O. you can directly go to documents. Now you have opened, say you have opened one folder, now you wanna go back again. You will have to now for going one step back, then you can press command and up arrow. See, command and up arrow, you can go back again. You can go back one step up, command and up. So this is my home folder. You can go up one level more. See, you can go back. This is the home folder. So how convenient it is. This is the good thing of this device. Within a very few days, I have seen it's convenient. I have seen how convenient this is the device. And if you see the applications, like it comes with pre-bundled very good applications like App Store. You can pay for, you can go for paid apps also. Then Safari, this is the browser actually. This is the this is already comes with this device. Let's open Google. Let's open another window. If you want to open another window inside this Safari browser, again you can use some shortcuts, like you can directly select command T. You can open another window, like say you wanna open Facebook. See, now use Facebook. Again, now in Google, if you were searching for something, say hello, then if you wanna go back to your previous page, then you can directly swipe, you can directly go back. So this is a very good thing. You can swipe using this. So these are the features that you can. And for scrolling you can use, and for scrolling again you can use your two fingers for scrolling. So it's very convenient actually. Convenience level is very good. And if you see the window, this particular Mac Air is designed in such a way that you can wait for you can watch the screen for around 1 hour, 2 hour. I was continuously sitting in front of this machine for around 2 to 3 hours, but it's not painful to your eyes. You can, if you are a coder, if you are a programmer, you can sit on this computer. So this is a very good thing. And now you are on this page. If you want to toggle to another window, then again you can use some another shortcut. Then command shift and the right arrow, command shift right arrow. Again you will be toggling between the another tab. Say you want to go back to the previous tab, again command shift the previous one. Again if you want to open some another tab, like control T, so many tabs you have open. Now you wanna go to another windows, again you can directly go. It's very easy. Command shift, like this way you have selected this thing. There's nothing, that's why it's not toggling. All are the blank windows. Say open, I am opening here Bing, and then again in this say I am opening Wikipedia. Now I am in this page. You can command shift back, command shift and this window. So see, now I am in Bing. Again you are back Facebook page, again the Google page. Again you're gonna go back to the previous page. You can use this. So this is a very good thing with this device. So there are so many options. You will gradually, when you will be using this device, you will discovering more options. And I have seen some other softwares that comes with this device, like this is a very good application like GarageBand. If you are a musician, then this will be a very good application for you. If you have some MIDI device, you can, like already connected power source. It's asking for this computer is not connected to power source, but I will not worry about, because already I have 90% of charge. So you can open this. So it's an empty project. Now I am choosing a blank project, although I am not a musician, so it will not be that much of useful for you, for me, but however it may be useful for you. So it's a very good software, again for video editing also. Like I am minimizing this way. For minimizing you can use this command M. So these are the features of this OS. Then again, if you go iMovie, if you want to edit videos, this is a very good option for you. You can use use this particular app for editing videos. Like it's asking whether you want to make movie or trailer. So it's a very very good OS that comes with pre-installed softwares. So this is my small, you can say, review of this device. If anything left, I'll be coming up with my next videos. I hope it will help you to know about this device. And one thing is that if you have Apple ID, always take care of that Apple ID. If you have another Apple devices, you can log into Apple ID. You can sync your devices all together, like your iPhone, then iPad, and then MacBook, and everything. Wherever you use all the devices, you can sync your data. So this is a very great device. Anyway, I wanna finish this video with this much of information to you. I hope we'll meet you in my in my next videos. I hope I'll be coming up with some good content. So do like, share and comment, and give some suggestions also. If you want to more about this device, I'll be trying to give you some more information on this. Friends, thanks for now. Thanks for watching.